Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tank, and today we're talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. I'll be giving you guys my thoughts about where we currently are in the market, as well as where I think we might be heading in the near future. Now, right now, Bitcoin is trading for $32,310 as we make this video, giving us a total price increase over the past 48 hours of about 9.55% or $2,794 to the upside. That's a massive move for Bitcoin to make in less than 48 hours, guys. And the reason why I think that's happening is a lot of people are responding positively to the discussion that was just had between Elon Musk, Cathie Wood, and Jack Dorsey on YouTube. They got together yesterday and discussed their concerns and hopes and overall opinions on the crypto space and Bitcoin in its entirety on a discussion labeled the B word. Such an awkward title for a discussion of that caliber. But the discussion was labeled the B word, or the get together. And they got together and they talked about things. And I thought, honestly, I watched the whole entire thing, guys, and I thought it was a really, really good discussion. I thought there was so much positive things coming out of that discussion than negative. Matter of fact, I really didn't hear much negative things about the crypto space and Bitcoin as a whole. To be honest with you, even when Elon Musk was confronted with the big question of how his feelings are now with the energy consumption when it comes to Bitcoin mining, even when he was asked that question, he actually ended that question on a speculative note, but on a bullish note nonetheless. He basically said that now that Bitcoin mining operations are showing that they're using more renewable energy than not to mine Bitcoin, that more than likely Tesla would once again be accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment for their vehicles. Again, he didn't confirm that. That's why I said speculative answer. But he did say that, you know, now that they're showing that they're using more renewable energy, and now that all of those miners that were using coal and fossil fuels and stuff like that in China have been kicked out of China, that Tesla would more than likely be accepting Bitcoin again. Again, he didn't confirm that. He said he has to do some more homework, but he did say the likelihood of it happening was high. So, you know, that was really, really good. And I think a lot of people were hoping to hear that. And they did. So I think that was a really good thing to hear from Elon Musk. And another good thing that I don't know if Elon Musk did this on purpose or not, but he actually let everybody know that SpaceX actually owns Bitcoin as well. And I don't know if you guys know, SpaceX is a private company. He actually didn't have to divulge that information to everybody, but it's kind of funny how openly opinionated Elon Musk is on Twitter and on social media when it comes to Bitcoin in the past and cryptocurrencies in general. We all know, let's be honest, guys. He puts out, you know, kind of back and forth tweets and statements about just everything and anything, kind of not letting you really know where he stands without saying anything straightforward. But it's, you know, to go back to my point, for somebody like himself, who is so controversial with his opinions and his posts, to do what he does, and what I mean by that is look at what he did. He himself owns Bitcoin. He said it yesterday. He's not selling any of his Bitcoin, but he owns Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin mostly. He's not selling any of them. He came out and said that. Tesla still owns Bitcoin, has not sold any, doesn't intend to. Now, SpaceX also owns Bitcoin on their balance sheet. So why would somebody who's so opinionated, who is so controversial, invest so heavily in all three aspects of his life, not just personally, but the two other biggest companies that he runs in Bitcoin as well? Again, watch what they do. Don't listen to what they say or post for that matter. But, you know, I thought that was, I don't know if he slipped up and did that by accident, but I thought that was really interesting for him to let everybody know that SpaceX actually also owns Bitcoin. Again, why would somebody who is so opinionated and so controversial own Bitcoin in all aspects of his life? That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Only speculating, right? I'm only speculating. But, you know, it was something else that a lot of other people caught on to as well. And I think it just drove the price up even more. Again, guys, also, I can't leave this out as well. Not only is Jack just a phenomenal guy, some of the things that he does in his, you know, business to business, and, you know, sometimes I don't disagree. I don't agree with it, and I kind of disagree. But as far as his out view on Bitcoin and some of the things that he said, you know, I liked him even more and more. Yes, after listening to him yesterday, the development with wallets and the reasoning behind why he holds some of the things was just, you know, like it. How can you deny the guy? He wants good for everybody, and that is why he's such a strong advocate for Bitcoin. And if you didn't hear it, it's so much. They said so much. I definitely recommend going back and listening to what he had to say as far as his opinion goes and why he himself invested into Bitcoin, and what his idea and hopes are for the future. I mean, he literally said his hopes for Bitcoin is to create peace. I mean, how you can't get any more noble than that. I don't know, if you want to totally believe in that, but like, honestly, whether he wholeheartedly believes that or not, that was such a great answer, such a noble answer to give. I mean, that's honestly what Bitcoin provides: the ability to self-govern, the ability to get on a level playing field. Anyway, I'm kind of going down a wormhole with what he said, but go back and watch it, guys. It was such a good comment that he made. And then also, I can't leave out Cathie Woods when she commented about the social aspect of Bitcoin and the social influence that Bitcoin provides in the ecosystem, not only in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, but on the world ecosystem. Guys, it was such a good answer. Not only is she so smart when it comes to financial topics, but she gave such good detailed answers about how Bitcoin could actually fix and hedge against all of these problems that we're facing right now with the traditional monetary system, guys. Like, everything they said throughout yesterday's interview pretty much reconfirmed what all of the long-term, real, true believers of crypto believe. And it was just so refreshing to hear them say it as well. Not just Jack and Cathie, but also Elon. It's, for whatever it's worth, he's one of the biggest critics as far as some aspects go in the crypto space. But for him to also admit of the full capabilities of Bitcoin and the opportunities that it provides was so refreshing to hear. And I think a lot of people liked what they heard, and is the main reason why we're seeing such a big run up right now after getting pushed down so well, or getting pushed down for so long. But yeah, that's what's going on. That's what's currently going on right now, guys. Let's go into some TA real quick on the charts. We're looking at Bitcoin's 4-hour time frame. On Market Cipher B, you can see that the RSIs are kind of flattening out here. Let's go on to the 3-hour. We did just get a green dot, a trigger wave on the 3-hour. RSIs are starting to point back up. Maybe we get a little bump back into $32,500. Let's see on 2-hour. 2 hours looking very similar. We also have a green dot there. RSIs are starting to point back up. They're pitched together as tight as can be and are pointing back up, guys. Maybe we do get back up to the mid $32,000 range. Yeah, 1 hour is looking very, very good, guys. Probably going to change the outlook on the 4-hour once these start confirming on the lower time frames. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now, guys. Honestly, I wouldn't short anything. It's, I know a lot of people right now are looking for shorts. I personally wouldn't, not financial advice. It's just, if the trend is your friend, why are you going against it? But yeah, that's just what I'm seeing right now. It's going to look very similar for Ethereum. Ethereum looking really, really good as well. Ethereum running all the way up. We're up $2,009 right now from a low just 2 days ago of about 1717. So what is that? What is that total increase there? Total price increase of about 15.54%, or roughly $267 to the upside currently to where we are right now. Guys, that's massive. That's massive. Let's take a look at lower time frames again. We're on the 4-hour. Let's go to the 3-hour here. Market Cipher B. RSIs are starting to point back up. We didn't get any further confirmations, but the RSIs are starting to turn back up. Money flows looking like it's trying to change from red to kind of green. It's kind of mixed right now. I don't know if I would actually take a position just yet for any kind of long. 2 hours looking much better. RSIs are starting to come back up. Things are changing over from red to green here on Market Cipher B. 1 hour is probably looking even better. Yeah, 1 hour looks better. So again, kind of going sideways here, guys. Look at the sideways action that we've been getting here. If we can just hold this line, I think we're doing good, guys. We just get to EIP. If we just get to ETH 2.0 next month, I think we'll do quite well, actually. I think we'll do quite well with ETH, guys. Let's go on over to ADA. ADA is going to probably look very, very similar. ADA from 2 days ago. Let's go ahead and mark this through, guys, on the 4-hour time frame. From 2 days ago to where we are now, total price increase of about 14.88%, or roughly 15 cents from the low just 2 days ago of right around $1.02 to where we are now, guys. I don't know about you guys, but I'll take those kind of gains all day long. I've been telling you guys, don't try to time the floor. Don't try to time the market. Just DCA in on dips. 9 times out of 10, if you're a long-term holder, you'll be okay. But yeah, right now we're having a pretty good run up. Let's go down to lower time frames on the 3-hour right now. 3-hour, we did just get confirmation of maybe another little bump to the upside. 2 hours, same thing, looking just like Bitcoin, guys. Looking really, really good short term. If we go over here to the daily, I don't want I know I've been preaching this to you guys. We just got a double green on ADA's daily, guys. Don't ignore the double greens and the deep anchors on the daily. Whenever the setups are like this, guys, I highly suggest not ignoring them. Those are perfect long setups, guys. Not financial advice, just making you guys aware, Look at the last time we got it. Boom, massive run up all the way up to 149 from a low of, let's see here, what was it? $1.19, basically where we are now. If we had to run up all the way down to 149, you guys got into a massive long right there. Great gains. Let's go back even a little bit more. When was the last time we got a double green? It's been a while. We haven't got a double green in forever, guys. So like, look, we've got him twice. Since the inception and since trading on Bitfinex. Guys, we got them twice. Don't ignore those greens. Don't ignore those double greens, man. Going to Ethereum's daily, we did get a green dot, not a double green, but we did get a green dot. Still, don't ignore those dailies, guys. Great setups. Bitcoin just got a double green not too long ago, just yesterday, guys. Don't ignore the setup. I'm telling you, don't ignore the setups. Bam. That was during market manipulation, so kind of, but like honestly, even if you took that and rode it all the way up, that was a $10,000 gain from that double green, even though we did get manipulated back down. Look back here. The last time we got a double green on the daily chart, guys, all the way back September 9th, 2020. Then if you took that long right there, long-term holder, guys, wham, you went all the way from $10,000 to $64,000. Y'all are insane if you guys ignore that. Anyway, that's just what I'm seeing right now in the charts, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm sorry for not having the video camera up, guys. Tomorrow, hopefully, we will have that back up. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. If you guys enjoy the content, please help me out. Please like the video. Please subscribe. Join the Discord below, guys. I'm just trying to make a community of like-minded individuals who are all trying to work towards the same thing, and that is profits. I hope you guys are doing well. Stay blessed. Peace.